So I'm going to confess something here that may or may not show my age. The only reason I'm familiar with the name Roman Atwood is because my daughter, she's 9 years old, watches his videos on YouTube and asked me to order her one of his Smile More shirts. Since then, I've heard and seen a little more about the YouTube sensation, but really don't know too much about him. Today I learned a little more. He has a GTR, so that's a big plus, and he has a sense of humor about getting his butt handed to him on the drag strip by a sleeper S10, another plus in my book. In fact, in this video I really only saw one thing that I would consider a negative, and that's the fact that he pronounces NOS the way they do in The Fast and the Furious. NOS is an acronym for nitrous oxide systems, so even though there are no periods, it's supposed to be pronounced ENNOS, not as the word NUS. Details, I know, but still. Regardless, Atwood took to the drag strip and lined up alongside an S10 that likely cost 14 of the price of his GTR and got absolutely wrecked through the 18th mile. This S10 sounds like a fairly typical nitrous small block with a power glide and plenty of traction, which is a tried and true setup for laying down some killer times on the track on a budget. The S10 chassis works well with a lot of power and traction, as long as you swap out the 10-bolt rear end for a 12-bolt or Ford 9-inch unit. You may also want to add some bars to stiffen the chassis a bit. Something like a simple roll cage will help a lot with the flex while also providing some added safety for the driver. Atwood takes his spanking like a pro, laughing all along as he knew what was coming. It's great to see these YouTubers out having a good time and showing their losses and not just their wins. Hopefully the guy with the S10 gets a little love for his big win, and maybe taking this L will prompt Mr. Atwood to step up his game a bit.